What are the powers of government to grant exemption for tax? So government, what they have the power? That's the thing. So Section 11 of IGST as well as Section 6 of IGST empowers the government to grant exemption. So there are two sections, Section 6 and Section 11 of IGST to grant anything to be said as exempted. What are they? So first we'll see Section 11, Clause 1, Clause 2, and Clause 3, and the explanation. Okay. Exemption by notification, Section 11, Clause 1. It is also known as general exemption. Okay, where the government is satisfied that it is necessary in a public interest to do so. So you think that government is necessary thinking. Second thing is they are thinking it's public interest. Third, it may, on the recommendation of the council. Council may say, council meeting, said we should make it exempted. Okay. In addition, exempt generally either absolutely or subject to such condition as may be specified therein, goods and services are both in such specific description. They may give exemption to some kind. Example, 26 kg of my rice and more is exempted, less than 26 is taxable. So such kind of basic exemption they give, where a whole or a part of tax leviable. They may not levy fully, but specifically, example, um, popcorn is not taxable, but chocolate popcorn is taxable. Such kind of things, special things. Effect from such date as may be specified in notification. Sir, we are not taxing up to this date. After that date, it is taxable. Such a way. Exemption by special order, section level 2. It is called special exemption or ad hoc exemption. So what is that? Where a government is satisfied that it is necessary in public interest to do so. So they think, sir, special order we are so it's very important thing, public most basic thing. So we are making it exempted. Very good. It may be in recommendation of the council. Council is saying that we should make it, then we'll do. A special order in such a case under circumstances of special exemption nature to the state in such order, exempt from payment of tax of any goods and service or both in taxable is liable. In the corona time, they have made exemption to what? They reduce the tax rate for syringe, for face masks, some specific items they reduce the tax. Such kind of thing you should do. Clarification scope of exemption. The government may, if it consider necessary on expenditure, so to do the purpose of clarifying the scope of availability of any notification issued subsection 1 or order issued subsection 2 or insert an explanation of the notification or order as the case may be by notification at the time within 1 year of issue notification or order of notification. So they may give sometimes what has happened now clarification is required. On the scope of exemption, what is the clarification? Government may. It is considered necessary or expedited to do the purpose of clarifying the scope of applicability of a notification. Sometimes they will give a notification, but there is more problem created because there is no clarity what to take. If you take on the exemption, government officer may not accept it. So they want to provide some clarification on the order issued. And insert an explanation to the notification, as the case may be notified in time limit of 1 year of the issue of notification. So, what is the time limit? So, notification what they receive as per section 11, clause 3, 1 year time is there for to give an explanation of what is this notification, how to clarify it. Every such explanation shall have effect as if they had been the part of the first such notification or part of such an order, as the case may be. So, when they get the explanation is from the date of notification, not on the date of explanation. This is clarified by section 11.3. Duty of registered person. What is the duty of registered person? Explanation. For the purpose of this section, where an exemption is in respect of any goods or exemption in respect of any service or both for the whole or part of tax liable, thereon being granted absolutely. If they said any exemption and the clarification notification is given from the notification has been done, on a clarification is given on the notification from the date of notification it will be given. The registered person supplying such goods and service or both shall not collect the tax in excess of the effective date on such supply of goods and service. Stating that, sir, we are given the notification. I should say I should collect this much tax, and as per the thing you should work it on. You can't go more than that. That is what we said. Okay, so that is a duty of the registered person to collect only the tax, not more than that.